I will teach you how to set up and adjust a precision temperature-controlled desoldering station featuring both direct airflow and spiral airflow modes. This product is currently available in two models. The G1 features direct airflow, while the G1X features cyclonic airflow. Multifunctional sleep dock. Includes 5 nozzles of different sizes. Features quick change nozzles and a sleep function. Supports adjustable placement angles. Functional description, interface overview, and feature description. Touch the pointed areas of the temperature and airflow progress bars to quickly increase or decrease the temperature and airflow levels. Tap to increase or decrease by 1. Long press to increase or decrease in increments of 5 degrees. Equipped with 4 preset channels. Adjust the temperature and airflow. Long press a channel to save the settings. The curved display facilitates the monitoring of temperature and airflow fluctuations during operation. Menu interface, menu functions, and overview. Click the interface menu. There are 3 operating modes. Power mode, a more efficient PID algorithm. Program mode. After presetting the temperature, airflow, and time parameters, activate the main interface of the programming mode. Tap Start to initiate operation. Once the set time elapses, the system will proceed to operate according to the parameters configured for the next stage. It also supports 4 programmable presets. Language settings. Multiple languages can be selected based on personal preference. Temperature unit settings. You can switch between Fahrenheit and Celsius based on your personal preference. Airgun temperature calibration requires the use of a temperature calibrator. Enter the actual temperature value, then exit the temperature calibration interface to automatically calibrate. Sound settings. You can toggle sound on or off according to your personal preferences. Controller button mode settings. Long press the controller's settings button. Features a cool air mode, rapid desoldering capabilities, and a timer mode. Short press the controller's settings button. Configured with channel switching, rapid desoldering, and timed modes. The adjustment keys are configured for temperature priority, airflow priority, and channel selection. Brightness settings. You can adjust the brightness according to your personal preferences. Touch settings. Drag to adjust. You can drag the temperature and wind speed sliders to set your desired temperature and wind speed. Click to adjust, then touch the arrow areas of the temperature and airflow sliders to precisely increase or decrease the temperature and airflow levels. Quick desoldering mode, adjustable duration and temperature. When enabled, a pop-up window appears on the main interface. The window automatically disappears once the countdown concludes. Temperature display, locked or unlocked. Unlocked, the temperature display fluctuates according to the actual real-time temperature. Locked, the temperature display remains fixed at the set temperature value. Sleep settings. When sleep mode is disabled, placing the hot air gun handle back into its holder does not trigger sleep standby. This ensures consistent temperature maintenance during continuous operation. When sleep mode is enabled, placing the hot air gun handle back into its holder activates sleep mode, causing the temperature to decrease as the system enters sleep standby. Restoring the system to factory settings will erase your personalized configuration parameters, reverting them to the factory default settings.